Guys, guess what? I vomited this morning. No, I vomited this morning. And bright yellow came out. Did you?
Yeah, but I swallowed it.
Oh, that happens to me as well.
Yeah, it's called reflux.
Is it?
Yeah, it happens to me a lot.
Mum's like, fuck, that's bad. I'm like, that's my mum.
Ready, so you go.
Oh no! I'll try. Come back. Hey, go!
Oh yeah, definitely.
Aaron, you died!
For an adventure. I can't go under.
Drowning. No, same.
Hi. Oh my god. I'm like drowning.
Hello!
I feel like I'm burning.
Bird, baby, bird.
It's salty.
Oh,
Salty.
my tongue is salty. Need to taste it.
Oh, I thought you were gonna lick me. Nah, that's gonna lick you.
Oh, it's just boogers.
I know, because you literally said hello.
Is it on?
Yeah, it's on. Look, it has a recording thing.
Let go.
Yeah. Good job, Erin. Oh, yo, guys. Hello.
Olivia, get it.
Yes.
These are the most unattractive things to put on.
Yeah.
I have something to tell you.
Jono's cold. He's being a wuss at the moment. He's like...
Welcome to Erin's interviews. Jono, why are you angry?
Fucking alone.
Why are you angry?
Fuck off.
He's angry. He's angry. Why are you angry?
Stop.
Why are you angry?
We're actually going scuba diving this time. For scuba diving.
I was watching the other day.
What were you watching, Neve?
Barbie.
Talking, but he begged me to stay. Hey, I'm not staying, I just wanna play. In the party, you just wanna
No.
It's my birthday. Princess and the Pauper. Just like you.
Pauper? What the heck's a pauper?
It's like
A dog?
No, it's like the one that. It's like this fashion design.
A pauper! Also, Jono's just like in the background of this and he just looks so like sad. Look, it's Thomas! Hey man. Look at Lily's trick. Yeah, try my goggles.
No, I'm alright.
No, they're actually really good. You can see everything. You can see little fishies.
I don't know if I want to see the fishies.
But not.
She found a jellyfish.
Yeah, I saw jellyfish so big.
We swam all the way out there though.
Can't breathe out of my nose.
Yeah, well don't breathe out of your nose, you'll make it foggy. Now go under the water. Wait.
Filling up. Do I look like a retard?
No, you look fine. Just make them tight. Okay, or don't make them tighter.
I can't breathe out of my nose. I can't even see normally. Let alone with this one. Okay, let's do this.
I'm in your mouth.
Go.
You make fun of my lips?
You actually got really big lips.
Come on, we gotta go scuba diving.
I take. Let's go. Welcome to Erin and Lily's underwater adventure.
I tried to beg, he begged me to stay. Hey, I'm not staying, I just wanna play. In the party, you just wanna romp. Big boots in the bus, they talk.
Leave. Oh, million stars. I don't even know the words. Leave. That's a lie.
She's really good.
Don't record under this.
I'm
gonna wait till she turns around.
turn around every now and then. I get a little bit lonely. Oh, sorry, I knocked her head out. Turn around.
She just kicks me so hard. Oh my Jesus.
Ooh.
Oh, I think I was videoing the water.
Lily, she wasn't
I think I was videoing the water. I was like,
She wasn't even recording you.
I think I was like doing that.
No, there's actually a flock of fish under here, actually. A flock of fish? A flock of fish. It's a school. Ready? I'll take it under.
You probably just got my bum hole. Probably might have seen a pube or two.
The sheep shearer scissors. Mum took them out of the shower. She came to me the other day. She was like, "Why are there scissors in the shower?" And I was like, "Oh." Yay! My favorite Morgan and my favorite Ranger. Yay! Favorite Morgan to exist and favorite Ranger to exist.